Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. This is going to be a great big video about our string curtains. We're going to explain what they are, what they look like scrunched up, fire rating options that we have, different top options that we have, color options that we have, projection options that we have. So if you look through this video and look down at the chapters, you'll see we'll separate this all out so you can find the information that you're looking for. String curtains are made out of hundreds of strands of very soft polyester fabric. This sort of reminds you of the feeling of tassels that you hang off of curtains. They're just really buttery and soft. String curtains are used for backdrops. We make here big custom frames with chandeliers, kind of chandeliers or columns. You can use them in stage productions, as stage backdrops, as photo backdrops, in retail displays, in your home, in a window, in a doorway. The uses are really endless. ShopWildThings string curtains are sold in 3 different densities. They're available right on the website at the top of the string curtains page. This is our standard density. They're very popular. We've carried them for years and years. This is the only option that we had for many years. You'll see many different photos on our website using just this standard density. But if you'd like something a little more luxurious and thick, we are now offering a double layer or double density string curtain option. And it's just thicker. You can see the comparison side by side here. And then next to that, we now have a maximum density curtain. It's about triple the number of strands. And what's cool about this is you can use a projector and project images or logos right onto it. You'll notice on our main string curtain page that at the top of the page there are several options for getting customizations done. You can choose any color that you want from our color chart or from the Pantone chart. So if your brand has a certain color that you need made, we can do that for you on the custom pages. But we also have a lot of options that are in stock and ready to order right on the website. These colors are very rich, they're beautiful. We can do any length up to 22 feet long. So if you need a 1 foot long panel up to 22 feet in length, fire rated different top options, which we'll go through later in this video. But as you kind of look around here, the color options are endless. White is a standard stock color that we carry all the time, and you can project LED lights onto those to change the colors if you just need to get something done and you can't wait for custom. We offer most of our stock string curtains in fire rated or non-fire rated options. The fire rated are always a little more expensive, and that's because they conform to NFPA 701. That's a fabric fire retardancy requirement for some of your fire marshals. So if you need that, we'll have stock options, and then of course we can make any of our string curtains in custom fire rated as well, and we'll provide the certificate to you. You'll notice when you're placing an order for our custom string curtains that there are different top options that you need to choose from. So I'm going to go through those very quickly. This is the standard rod pocket top. This is the standard size for most pipe and drape and curtain rods. We also offer a small size, so you'll need to choose between those two, and the measurements will be in the checkbox when you pick which one you'd like. We also offer a webbing and twill tie option. So there's this webbing, it's available in white and in black at this time, and then you would just tie this tie to whatever your structure is. So we offer this option, white or black, so you'll choose from that. Or you can choose to get a Velcro top, and this has the hook and loop on it, and then it also has an adhesive backing. So you would put the adhesive backing on your structure, and then when you're ready, you would apply your string curtain to that. You can also add grommets to any of these top sizes. So ignore this strap here, I'm just using it to demonstrate the grommet. So we have these grommets for you. If you need bigger ones, we could possibly do those, but these are the ones that we offer now. You would just use a hook for this application to hang your string curtain up. When you're ordering your custom string curtain colors, you'll notice that we have a color chart to pick from. We're going to pop it up on the screen here. You'll just pick the number that you'd like when you're placing your order. If you have a Pantone color that you need, so say your brand uses a very specific Pantone color, or you have a Pantone color in mind that you absolutely love, we can definitely do that for you. The minimum order for curtains from our color chart at this time is 12 pieces. The minimum order for the Pantone colors is 36 pieces. You can mix sizes, you can mix lengths, but you will need to get, for your specific Pantone color, 36 different panels. So just, bear that in mind. But we're happy to talk to you about all of that when you place your order. You can place your order right on the website, and you can enter comments in the comment box, or you can call our team. They're always happy to help. Let's talk about care and storing these and putting them up and taking them down. For your string curtains, you'll notice that they come tied up. This is really best to leave your string curtains tied up until you're ready to use them. So hang them up and then undo the ties. And then when you're taking them down, tie them back up and put them in the bag. They store flat in a small bag. They don't really tangle very easily, so when you put them together, you have to really work to tangle them up. So I'm gonna try to make a mess here. They just don't get that messy. You just kind of move your fingers through them and untangle them if they do get tangled. So they're really easy to work with. A little bit of gentle soap and water will keep them clean. You can just wash them by hand. Don't put them in a machine. You'll have a big tangled mess. Why buy from Shop Wild Things? Well, we have been helping event planners and working closely with them and meeting deadlines for years and years and years. We have been online since 2001, in business since 1989, and we just agonize over your deadlines. We offer our string curtains at several different price points. The ones that we can customize are a little bit higher. They're just more luxurious and fabulous, and we can, make them any length that you need and fire treat them and all of those things. And then we also carry sort of a value line. They're still very pretty. They have a lot of color. Some of them have Lurex woven into them. And then at the top, if you want them to look a little bit fuller, you would just bunch them up. And actually you can do this with any of our string curtains. If you need them to look fuller, you can just pull the top together, bunch it up, and make them look fuller, and just use more of them hanging next to each other. So I'll pull this apart and show what it looks like apart and then together. So I'll kind of come over this way also. We have a couple of more styles here. So these are available on the website at a low price point, and then these more luxurious polyester styles with a lot more strands are a little bit more. They can be bunched up or used pulled out all the way. They're all very pretty and add a lot of color to your events. Feel free to place your orders online. You can order our stock product or our custom product online. We've tried to make it as easy as possible. The descriptions give you as much of the information as we could think up. We have different videos and things like that, so you can order online. However, our team is always ready to help you by phone or by email. We have several contact forms right on the website, or you can call them at 928-855-6075. I promise you, you will never work with a sweeter, more friendly, and excited, wonderful team of people than you will at Shop Wild Things.